All right, here is question number 1 from the 2016 practice exam. Basic integral, nothing tricky here. We're just going to use the power rule and the fundamental theorem of calculus. So, power rule says I'm going to add 1 to the exponent, divide by that new exponent, subtract. I'm going to again add 1 to the exponent, x squared, and divide by the new exponent. These two will cancel out. Then we're going to take that whole thing and evaluate it from -1 to 3. Okay. All right, so now when we're going to evaluate this one, I'm doing top minus bottom, so it becomes 3 cubed over 3 minus 3 squared. That is everything on top. And we're going to subtract the bottom, so that's going to be -1 cubed over 3. And we're going to subtract -1, so -1 squared. And I'll squeak that in. All right, so there's what we're doing now. Let's just make sure we can see all of that. All right, so in evaluating this whole first section here, this whole thing here is actually going to become 0. This is 3 squared, and 3 squared minus 3 squared. That whole thing is going to become 0. So now we can go back. We have 0 minus everything over here. We're going to have -1 third. And this becomes +1. We're going to actually subtract 1. Okay, so this now becomes -4 thirds, and then the negative on the outside makes this whole thing +4 thirds. So our answer becomes +4 thirds. And if we go up into our answer key, we're looking at B.